Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to LC Cafe Restaurant. I believe you have a reservation.
Yes.
May I have your name, please, and how many are you?
My name is Erica and one person only.
Do you prefer non-smoking area or smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
This way, please. Are you comfortable in this table, ma'am?
Yes.
Please have a seat. And fold your napkin, ma'am.
Yes.
How about some refreshing drink, ma'am, to start with? Would you like some iced tea or pineapple juice?
I see.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Have some water. Excuse me, ma'am. Have some freshly baked bread. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to present our menu selection for you? I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
My order is Caesar salad.
Okay. May I suggest to you our pork belly? Will that all be, ma'am?
No thanks.
May I repeat your order? Caesar salad. Did I get your order correct?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your Caesar salad. Ma'am, are you done with your Caesar salad?
Yes.
May I hear? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Can I have your signature?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day.